Good morning everyone. Welcome to my vlog. I just go walk for a while in Lake Park before I go to the office of Itisalat. I just have to have sunlight for a while. But I need to go back home after Itisalat office. I need to go back. Because I need to change my clothes. Shower and change my clothes. See, the sun is so bright. I just have to, I already bring the document so that I can go direct to the mall after my walking. I just have to have sunlight for a while. Look at the sun. It's on top of my head. Today is my day off. But I have so many things need to do today.